So in the back outlet loads, a lot of the stuff's the same stuff we've already shown, but this is new. Electrical test kit by Klein. $42.47 down from $49.98. $2.99 down from $3.99 on this Dewalt 12-inch dual bevel compound miter saw. Or $2.29 down from $3.29. Disregard $2.69 on this Metabo HPT 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel compound miter saw. $4.99 down from $6.49 on this Dewalt 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. And the 450 foot-pound half-inch drive flex compact impact wrench bare tool, $129 down from $179. Or the 700 foot-pound Craftsman brushless half-inch impact wrench, $159 down from $229. And that's a complete kit. Comes with a 4-amp-hour battery, a charger, and a bag. This looks new. Limited time only, $179 down from $239. 2-pack of the Dewalt 6-amp-hour batteries. Looks like they've also got the 12-volt extreme drill or impact driver. 2 2-amp-hour batteries, charger, and a bag. $99 down from $149. Either one. Now here's a pretty good deal. 100-piece Dewalt flex torque and black and gold twist bit set in the tough case. $39.98 down from $44.98. Those bits are actually pretty good. And here's an 18-piece black and gold Dewalt twist bit set. $19.98 down from $29.98. Not sure if they're any good, but they've also got $5 off this Craftsman 140-piece driver bit set in a Versa stack case. And there's a whole lot of yellow tags on Craftsman hand tools. Check your local store. And here's a rotary thread damaged thread repair tool, $4.92 down from $19.98. $2.52 down from $9.98 on these Dewalt 7¼ 24 tooth circular saw blades. And here's a little hidden gem, $14.98 down from $29.98 on this 14-piece Spider Stinger self-feeding spade bit set with pouch. Here's another hidden gem, $7.22 down from $28.98 on these commercial grade mechanics gloves.